Guys, hello. So I'm just going to be in here, but if you're Philippines and if you're USA, please USA, can you just please take a break? We need to talk to the Philippines. So, guys, kung ikaw si Chloe or si Gianna Grace Waigamala Chloe B. Hoven, ako mo ng mga friends sa eskwelahan pero wala mi dito sa eskwelahan kaya nga ang man rebuild pa ato gani mi sa stage dapit mo eskwela YTV, Y blackboard mga among TV ra kay magsigra mi og yun no mga mga test pa para makalinga para lingaw nya magdaming assignment kay dali ra kagayo half day ra so maura na guys so mo ato sa ko sa USA ato sa mo sa mga yung mga mama o sa uban mga ganahan so mo ato ko sa USA kay mo istorya po ko na nila. Guys, hello. I know you're there, but if you're rich and you have a Robux, can I please get some? I don't have any Robux. Please, just for that. That's for I wanted, or like I 1K Robux or otherwise no, but I just wanted 100K Robux because I don't have any Robux of them and I want to share it with my fans and all of my fans, so that's why I'm giving it for you. And also comment down below where is your country from, Philippines or from USA, guys. But I need to talk with you. It's almost there, but my battery is almost out. It's only 5 months. Okay. Nah, I just wanted to say bye.